Let me talk about me as an instructor. My name is Feature Ibeche and I am going to be your instructor in this course. I've been a Microsoft Office and a web development instructor for over 5 years plus, so this course will be taught with your best interest at heart and a step-by-step simplified approach. I want to assure you that this course is for you, whether you have little or no knowledge in Excel, or you just want to simply advance your Excel skills. Then you are at the right place, because at the end of this course, you will be able to use Excel effectively to do basic Excel calculations. You also know how to calculate Excel functions and formulas, and you also know your way around Excel environment. This will also help you to also know how to calculate logical sequences, which will help you make productive decisions in your day-to-day activities for your business or even your job. Okay? You also know how to practically calculate result performance for an organization or even school. Let me also tell you that this course will grind your understanding on calculating company payroll. Let's say you work for an organization and you are the accountant, or you are asked to calculate the workers' pay for a particular month. This course is surely for you, because it will help you solve that problem from a real-time data. Not to also forget that this course will also take you through the world of data analysis, which is one important skill in the IT industry today. We also have lots more of courses to cover. So what are you waiting for? Hop in so we do this together, and I'm going to see you at the other side. So let's talk about how to set display languages in Microsoft Office Excel. It's good practice to know how to set different type of language in Excel, be it English, French, Portuguese, German, based on your language preference. Let's head over to Excel and see how we can achieve this. So this is our Excel environment. To set your display language, you simply go to our file, which will definitely take us to our backstage view. And the next thing you do is to head straight down to options. Once you click on option, this Excel option display dialog box opens up, and on the left you go to languages. So once you click on language, it will show you the language options. So we have two types of language option. We have Office display language, and we also have Office authoring languages and proofing. So we are going to focusing on Office display language. Okay, currently mine is displayed as English, which is the preferred, but you can choose to change this to a different language, which I believe will suit your preference. Okay, now before you do this, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected to the internet, the next thing you do is to click on this link which says install additional display languages from office.com. So what you have to do is to click it. So once you click it, it will display additional languages for you to install. As you can see from the top here, it's written install a display language. So we have different display languages here. You can choose from based on your language preference. So you can also scroll down using the scroll bar. So from the scroll bar, you have Italian. So once you click on it, you can just install. But I am not going to do that because mine is already installed to English already, and I don't intend changing it. But once you click on it, automatically it will be installed, and you can have that particular language displayed on your office. So I'm going to close this now. I'll also close this. So this is how to change your display language in Excel. So we are going to learn how to launch our Excel. That's the basic thing and the first thing I think we should do to know how to launch the application. So let's head over to our desktop and see how to achieve this. Here is our desktop environment, and this is our Excel application. So we have several ways to launch our Excel application. You can either right click on the application and you see open. That's the first way to launch it. You can also double click, which is the best way I even prefer. Once you double click on it, it will open. So let's explore other ways on how to open this application. You can also open Excel application by going to the start. So once you go to start and you go to your recently used applications, so you see your Excel application here, and once you click on it once, it will also open. You can also go to your pinned application and you can find Excel here. But should in case you have checked and you couldn't find the Excel here, you simply make use of your search button or your search bar, which you can find below here. So once you simply type Excel, as you can see, it has displayed. So what you have to do is to just click on it once and it will open. If you remember, I talked about the one I like most on how to open Excel, the double clicking. So let's head over to my desktop and let's see how to double click and open our Excel. So I simply go to double click on it and you can see Excel has opened up. So you simply click here and this is our Excel.